Maya, and today I'm showing you my hair installed. I got the Sunber Hair installed. This hair is so soft. And I did a side part this time, you know. Side part, try something new. This is the hair in its natural state. Look it up. And this is how long it is on me. Yeah. Turn around, give you a little 360, you know. The back.
Fake.
The side. The other side. Boom. It's like nah. But yeah, I went to the same girl. But this video is long overdue. I just got it installed today, so yeah, I was waiting like a whole break to get my hair installed. But now I got it installed. Now I love it. I was like, hold on, before I tie my hair up, I need to make a video about my hair. So yeah, this is like, I really love this hair so far. But I said the same thing with Lackey hair, but this hair is so soft and smooth. My fingers just run straight through it. It's so beautiful. I'm loving this side part though. It's something different, but I just like it. It looks like my hair, but better. I said it looks like my hair. My hair is curly, but I'm talking about it looks like this could be my hair. Like it fits my face. So, like, come on now. Come on now. But yeah, I was just so relieved to put my natural hair up because all that keep deciding what to do with it and stuff like that, keep picking it out, keep just playing with it. Well, not playing with it, but you know, keep doing it. No, I needed to put it up, and it's gonna grow so much. It's gonna grow super a lot. I know that don't make sense, but it's gonna grow a lot. But yeah, after this, I think I'm gonna get some braids. Not just keep having my hair up, put away, and protective styles, cause I'm trying to grow this joint out long. I'm trying to grow my hair out long. Like, it's alright when I blow dry my hair out, it's alright. But why I'm getting off topic, it's not about my natural hair. It's about this hair, this beautiful hair. And I'm like doing the most, but it's whatever because, yeah. But anyway, guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, I'm about to go wrap this hair up. Yeah. Bye, guys.